Mastering Rust Functions, a comprehensive guide. Explore Rust's function syntax, ownership, lifetimes, closures, and error handling. In Rust, functions, defined using the fen keyword. Parameters must have explicit types, and return types should be clearly specified to ensure type safety and clarity in function behavior. Rust functions require careful management of data ownership and borrowing. Ownership is transferred when passing values, while borrowing is done using the AND symbol to maintain data safety and integrity. Lifetimes in Rust specify the duration for which references valid within function scopes. This prevents dangling references and ensures safe memory access, maintaining program stability. Closures in Rust, anonymous functions that can capture variables from their environment. They offer flexibility and power, allowing for concise and expressive function definitions. Higher-order functions in Rust allow passing functions as arguments and returning them from other functions. This enhances code reassignability and modularity, enabling more abstract and flexible code design. Rust employs result and option types for robust error handling and managing optional values. This approach ensures that code is safe and predictable, reducing runtime errors and improving reliability. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.